In this video, I'll show you how to create a recurring invoice in Wave. First, log into your Wave account and open the business you want to use. Next, go to Sales in the left sidebar and select Recurring Invoices. Now, click Create a Recurring Invoice to start a new recurring invoice. Select the customer you want to bill, or add a new customer if they are not already in your account. After that, add the products or services you want to charge for. Enter the quantity and price, and Wave will calculate the invoice total automatically. Next, set the frequency for the recurring invoice. Choose how often you want the invoice to repeat, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. After that, select the start date and, if needed, set an end date for the recurring schedule. You can also choose whether Wave should automatically send each invoice to the customer or save it for you to review before sending. Now, review the invoice details, including the customer, items, payment terms, and total amount. Once everything is correct, click Save to create the recurring invoice. Wave will then use the schedule you selected to generate future invoices automatically. Finally, return to the Recurring Invoices section to confirm that your new recurring invoice is active and that the schedule is correct. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a recurring invoice in Wave. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.